Good morning, my dear students. In today's class, we are going to continue the same lesson, Economics, Unit 2, Public and Private Sectors. Socio-economic development. Socio-economic development is a process of social and economic development in a society. The new think tank is Niti Aayog can form a suitable platform in integrating the social sector initiatives of the center, state, and the local bodies. Socio-economic development is measured with indicators such as GDP, life expectancy, literacy, and levels of employment. Gross domestic product GDP. GDP supports in developing socio-economic development. The proportion of GDP by the industrial sector, both private and public sector, has been increased. It results increasing government funds and increase public spending. Life expectancy. According to 2011 census of India, life expectancy in India is 65.80 years for men and 68.33 years for women. Government provides high degree of health measures through various programs. The government announced in the Union Budget 2018-19 the National Health Production Scheme NHPS to serve poor families. Literacy. Educational skill plays a vital role in the socio-economic development. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA is implemented for making free and compulsory education to the children of 6 to 14 years with life skills. The government also introduced Smart Class, e-learning, free computer skill classes, and eco-friendly studying environment. Digital India for increasing the level of quality in education. Employment. There is a clear shift in employment to secondary and tertiary sector from the primary sector. A growing number of people moved urban areas in search of employment. It increased urban population. Hence, government started the Smart City scheme, which provides the city with many facilities like hospitals, schools, housing facilities, and shopping centers to promote rural and backward areas. In terms of employment, the government encourages private sectors to start an industry in backward areas by providing tax benefit electricity at a lower tariff. It removes regional inequality. Provision of house, clean drinking water and sanitation facilities under the Clean India planning. Government sector provides housing facilities, clean drinking water facilities and sanitary facilities under the Clean India planning. By providing these facilities, the life cycle of the people increases. Importance of public sector. Public sector has following importance: public sector and capital formation. The role of public sector in collecting savings and investing them during the planning period has been very important. Economic development. Economic development mainly depends upon industrial development. Heavy and basic industries are required for supplying raw materials to small industries. Balanced regional development. Public sector undertakings have located their plans in backward parts of the country for the transformation in the socio-economic life of the people in these regions. Employment generation. Public sector has created millions of jobs to tackle the unemployment problem in the country. Public sector has contributed a lot towards the improvement of working and living conditions of workers by serving as a model employer. Export promotion and foreign exchange earnings. Some public enterprises have done much to promote India's export. The State Trading Corporation STC, the Minerals and Metals Trading Corporation MMTC, and Hindustan Steel Limited, etc., have done very well in export promotion. Protection to sick industries. Public sector to prevent sick unit closing down takes over their responsibility and prevent many people from getting unemployed. Import substitution. Some public sector enterprises were started to produce goods which were imported and thus to save foreign exchange. The Oil and Natural Gas Commission ONGC, the Indian Oil Corporation Limited, etc., have saved foreign exchange by way of import substitution. Definition of private sector. The segment of a national economy that is owned, controlled, and managed by private individuals or enterprises is known as private sector. They can be created in two ways, either by the formation of a new enterprise or by the privatization of any public sector enterprise. The private sector is a part of country's economic system that is run by individuals and companies rather than the government. The contribution of the products of cottage and village industries and the small scale industries is a major portion of the wholesale and retail trade. The contribution of private sector towards national production is higher than the public sector. Private sector is dominant in road, ship and airways and also in consumer industries. Functions of private sector. The main function of private sector is to create innovation and modernization. The profit motive drives them to innovate new techniques of production and manage the productive activities in a scientific manner. Develop and maintain infrastructure and services. Promote and expand existing businesses. Promote human capital development. Promote small, micro, and medium enterprises SMME. In India, being a mixed economy has assigned a great importance on the private sector of the country for attaining rapid economic development. The major portion of the industrial sector engaged in the non-strategic and light areas producing various consumer goods, both durables and non-durables, electronics and electrical goods, automobiles, textiles, chemicals, food products, light engineering, etc. is also under the control of the private sector. To meet the targets in structural transformation and economic growth, public sector and private sector must join together. With this lesson is over, my dears. We will see the next lesson in the next online class. Thank you, my dears. Thank you.